A is for ant, marching in a line. B is for butterfly, colorful and fine. C is for cat, purring happily. D is for dragonfly, dancing near a tree. E is for eagle, flying way up high. F is for frog, leaping by and by. G is for grasshopper, jumping all around. H is for hen, making clucking sounds. I is for inchworm, crawling very slow. J is for jaybird, putting on a show. K is for koala, sleeping in a tree. L is for ladybug, as cute as can be. M is for monkey, swinging with delight. N is for biting ants, singing day and night. O is for owl, watching in the dark. P is for peacock, showing feathers bright. Q is for queen bee, buzzing in the sun. R is for rabbit, hopping just for fun. S is for sparrow, chirping merrily. T is for turtle, by the sea. U is for umbrella bird, perched up high. V is for vulture, gliding through the sky. W is for woodpecker, tap tap on a tree. X is for x-ray fish, swimming in the sea. Y is for yellow jacket, buzzing all day. Z is for zebra, striped black and gray. A, B, C, come sing with mammals, birds, and insects you'll see. Learning letters A to Z. Z is fun for you and me. Come along, it's time to play with bird friends, learning every day. A to Z, let's sing and fly with colorful birds across the sky. Is for albatross, flying high at sea, gliding over ocean waves so happily. B is for bluebird, singing in a tree, tweeting happy melodies for you and me. C is for canary, yellow, bright and sweet, singing cheerful little songs with every beat. D is for duck, swimming in the pond, splashing through the water all day long. A, D, C, D, come and sing with me. E is for eagle, soaring way up high, floating through the mountains in the sky. Flamingo, F is mingo, dancing in the lake, standing on one leg for fun's sake. G is for goose, walking by the shore, honking happy greetings more and more. H is for hummingbird, tiny as can be, buzzing near the flowers happily. Learning every day, I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P. Flying high and feeling free. Q-R-S-T-U-V. Learning birds so easily. W-X-Y and Z. Now we've learned the ABC. One little sun shines bright all day. Two bluebirds fly and play. Three green trees sway in the breeze. Four busy bees buzz through the trees. Five bright stars twinkle at night. Six colorful kites fly so high. Seven happy ducks swim in a line. Eight little fish sparkle and shine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting numbers is a joyful ride. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count together again and again. 9 red balloons float in the sky. 10 children wave goodbye. Jump and dance, sing along too. Counting is fun for me and you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Learning numbers makes us thrive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count together again and again. Red, yellow, green and blue, so many colors for me and you. Orange, purple, shining bright. Learning colors is a delight. Colors, shapes, and patterns too. Let's learn and play the whole day through. Look around and you will see a world of fun for you and me. Circle rolling on the ground. Square has corners all around. Triangle points up to the sky. Star shines bright way up high. Colors, shapes, and patterns too. Let's learn and play the whole day through. Look around and you will see a world of fun for you and me. Red, blue, what comes next? Red, blue, you're the best. Circle, square, patterns are hiding everywhere. Clap your hands and count along. Learning makes us brave and strong. Jump and dance, sing with me. Shapes and colors happily. Colors, shapes, and patterns too. We're learning something new. Circle, square, red and blue. Let's have fun the whole day through. for cat meowing all day. D is for dog running out to play. Say B, C, D, sing with me. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fox, dancing along. G is for giraffe, tall as can be. H is for horse, galloping free. Say B, C, D, hooray today. I is for iguana, green and bright. J is for jellyfish, floating light. K is for kangaroo, jumping high. L is for lion, roaring to the sky. M is for monkey, swinging on a tree. N is for narwhal, swimming in the sea. O is for owl, awake at night. P is for penguin, wadding just right.